Exams are tomorrow, and you have almost no time to study. Do not panic. In this video, I will show you how to learn more in hours than most students do in days. No long hours, no fancy tools, just simple steps that work. By the end, you will know how to use every minute wisely and study smart, even when time is tight. Stay with me, because every tip here is designed to save you time and get results fast. Step 1. Assess the situation. First, check how much time you really have. Write down the hours or days left. List all subjects and topics you need to cover. Circle the most important ones. Focus on what is likely to appear on the exam. Do not try to study everything. Wasting time on low-value topics is the biggest mistake last-minute students make. Knowing what truly matters lets you plan sessions that give the most results in the least time. Step 2. Focus on high-value topics. With limited time, focus on topics that give the most marks. Check past papers, teacher hints, or highlighted chapters. Cover main ideas, formulas, and key definitions first. Less important details can wait if time allows. Ask yourself, if I could only answer 3 questions, what would they be? Study those first. This ensures your limited time is spent on the highest impact material. Step 3. Set clear goals. Set a clear goal for each study session. Do not try to study everything at once. Decide to finish one chapter or one topic in 45 minutes. Break bigger topics into smaller chunks. Clear goals keep you focused and give a sense of progress. Crossing off each goal feels motivating and keeps your energy high. Even in a short time, goal setting separates students who pass from those who panic. Step 4. Use active recall. Active recall means testing yourself, not just reading. After a section, close the book and recall the main points. Ask yourself questions or use flashcards. This strengthens memory faster than rereading. It feels harder, but that struggle makes your memory stronger. Even 5 minutes of active recall is better than 20 minutes of passive reading. Step 5. Use study shortcuts. Summarize notes in your own words. Use diagrams, charts, or tables to make information simple. Teach the material to yourself out loud. This forces your brain to process information deeply. If you can explain it clearly, you truly understand it. Shortcuts like this save time and boost retention. Step 6. Use spaced repetition. Do not cram everything in one long session. Review topics multiple times with short breaks. Even a 5 to 10 minute review makes a difference. Spaced repetition reduces forgetting and makes recall faster. For example, read a formula now, then review it after an hour, and again before bed. Small repetitions work wonders when time is short. Step 7. Take smart breaks. Breaks help your brain work better. Study 25 to 50 minutes, then rest 5 to 10 minutes. During breaks, move, stretch, or drink water. Do not check social media. Even a short walk refreshes your brain and improves focus for the next session. Step 8. Stay focused. Remove distractions from your study area. Keep your phone away or in silent mode. Use only the materials you need. A focused hour is more effective than 3 distracted hours. If your mind wanders, bring it back. Focus is the single most powerful tool when you are short on time. Step 9. Use quick memory tricks. Use mnemonics, acronyms, or rhymes for key points. Highlight formulas, dates, or definitions. Repeat them out loud. Memory tricks save time and improve recall. Even a short rhyme for a list of steps makes information stick. Step 10. Practice with past papers. Solve past exam papers or sample questions. Time yourself like the real exam. Check your answers and focus on mistakes. This shows what is important and boosts confidence. Even one past paper done properly can improve performance significantly. Step 11. Keep a healthy routine. Even with little time, sleep matters. A short nap or 6 to 7 hours of sleep improves focus and memory. Eat simple, healthy meals. Avoid heavy or junk food before studying. Your brain works better when rested and fueled. Skipping sleep or eating poorly can erase hours of study effort. Step 12. Stay calm and positive. Stress slows learning. Take deep breaths if you feel overwhelmed. Focus on one topic at a time and trust the process. A positive mindset makes last-minute study more effective. Effort now matters more than worry. Confidence is built by action, not by stressing about the clock. Step 13. Review right before the exam. Use the last hour or 2 to review key points. Do not start new topics. Focus on what you already know. Go through formulas, definitions, or short notes. This refreshes memory and reduces anxiety. Seeing familiar material before the exam gives your brain a final boost of confidence. To study when time is short, assess your situation, set clear goals, focus on high-value topics, use active recall and spaced repetition, take smart breaks, stay healthy, and review key points before the exam. You do not need long hours. Smart, focused study works better. Stay calm, follow these steps, and do your best. Good luck with your exams. You can do this.